Okay, at this point in the course, you should have your Java development environment all set up. So if you have not set up your JDK, stop and go back to the previous section of the course. So very important for you to proceed with the course. At this point, you need to have your Java development environment set up so that you can actually code Java. So we are going to proceed using the IntelliJ IDE, which you should have installed, and also the JDK, so we can start coding Java. So this section of the course, what we are going to be looking at is just some of the fundamentals of the Java programming language. So going to be a little boring, not too bad. I'm going to try to keep it as entertaining as I can make it. But here we are going to be learning the very, very fundamentals of the Java programming language, just the basic constructs and the basic syntax and how Java programs actually work and how you start coding them. So we are just going to be looking at the very, very basics, but these are all fundamentals. We need to lay down that fundamental foundation so that we can start building up on top of that. So this is really cornerstone content of how we start developing Java applications. So very, very basic, but also very, very important, because this is stuff that you need to learn and master so that we can build upon it as we progress through the course. So we are going to jump in and start looking at developing Java programs.